In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put keyframes on audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you want more control over how your audio sounds over time, adding keyframes is one of the easiest and most useful tools to learn. Keyframes let you change settings like volume or pan at specific points in a clip, which is perfect for things like fading music in or out, lowering background audio under dialogue, or moving sound from left to right in a subtle way. To get started, go to your audio track and find the audio clip you want to work with. Make sure you actually click on the clip so it becomes selected. This is important because if the clip is not selected, the controls you need may not appear correctly and you won't be editing the right piece of audio. Once the audio clip is selected, move your attention to the top right area of DaVinci Resolve and click on the Inspector tab. The Inspector is where you can view and adjust settings for the selected clip, and it gives you quick access to several controls without needing to open extra windows. If you don't see it right away, just make sure your clip is still highlighted, because the inspector updates based on whatever you currently have selected. Inside the inspector, you'll see audio settings such as volume and pan. On the right side of those settings, you'll notice a small keyframe button. This is the button you'll use to add keyframes. When you click it, you can begin placing changes at different moments in the clip for that specific setting. For example, if you use it on volume, you can raise or lower the level over time. If you use it on pan, you can control where the sound sits in the stereo field as the clip plays. That's really all there is to the basic process. Select your audio clip, open the inspector, and use the keyframe button next to the setting you want to animate. A helpful tip here is to play back your timeline after making your adjustments so you can hear exactly how the changes feel in context. Small changes often sound more natural than dramatic ones, especially when you're working with spoken audio or background music. Once you get comfortable with this, keyframing audio becomes a fast and powerful way to make your edits sound smoother and more professional.